YouTube, today I'm going to unbox HP ProBook 450G7 laptop. It's Intel Core i7 10th generation, 8GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB M2 SSD hard drive, 15.6 inch 1900 by 1080 IPS display integrated with Intel UHD graphics, SD card reader, USB type A and type C ports available, and also HDMI port, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, Gigabit internet port, and 180 Hinge, and also it's silver color laptop. This unit has comfortable view angle and good contrast ratio. And also inside the box we found a nice laptop bag. It's very professional and good quality HP branded laptop bag. It's tick most box to be a suitable match for professional on the go and students. Let's find out how it's look like and leave your valuable feedback and subscribe for my channel for the videos. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.